One, good luck to our winner, Teiko. And the race is on. Sweet Embrace from the outside. Bianca's Fantasy. Maypan in the middle is Go Army. Maypan, Go Army. Bianca's Fantasy getting better. Is running by Daral alongside is Don. Eduardo's Best. Sweet Embrace. Spanish Lover. Caloocan's Pride and Floris is the early trailer, passing the half-mile post. Maypan by a length and a half, followed by Go Army getting better. Is racing in third by some 4 lengths alongside is Bianca's Fantasy. Spanish Lover is making room by Daryl. Alongside is Don Eduardo's Best. Sweet Embrace, Caloocan's Pride and Flores. It's Maypan by ahead. Go Army on the outside. Bianca's Fantasy on the further outside. Getting better. Spanish Lover as they race the final corner. Go Army is now the leader, followed now by Bianca's Fantasy, getting better in the middle, Maypan, but still Go Army this time by some 3 lengths now, and finally the icebreaker, Go Army, second, Bianca's Fantasy, getting better, Spanish Lover, and Maypan for your Fantafecta.
Okay.